Hey, hello everyone. As a part of this video, we are going to learn about manual testing interview questions and answers. Here we will see all the below questions. You can see the list. Let's move for the first question of this video. What is regression testing? So purpose, ensure that recent code changes such as bug fixes, new feature or updates have not adversely affected the existing functionality of the application. When to perform after bug fixes, feature additions, code changes or optimization. Why it's needed, prevents unintended side effects, maintain software stability. Goal of the regression testing, verify software work as expected after changes. Types of the regression testing, unit testing, test specific component in isolation. Second is partial regression, test change module with dependencies. Third is complete regression, test the entire application after major changes. So, automation tools used for the regression testings are Selenium, JUnit, TestNG, Cypress, APM, and so on. Best practice, automate frequent tests to save time and ensure accuracy. So this is all about regression testing. Let's move for the another question. What is retesting? Definition of retesting is the process of verifying that a previously failed test cases has been fixed and now work correctly. Purpose of regression testing, ensure that reported bugs have been resolved. When to perform after a defect has been fixed and redeployed. Scope focuses only on the failed test cases, not the entire application. Here we will not run the past test cases. Retesting checks if a specific defect is fixed. Execution perform manually in most cases but can be automated if needed. Importance of the retesting. Ensure that reported defects are properly resolved, validates the effectiveness of the fixes, helps maintain software quality by confirming specific issues are addressed. So this is all about retesting. Let's move for the another question. What is the difference between retesting and regression testing? Purpose of retesting is verify that the specific defect has been fixed. Purpose of regression testing is ensure new code changes do not break existing functionality. Scope of retesting is focuses only on failed test cases. Regression testing scope is covers the entire system or affected areas. Retesting test cases, same test cases are executed again. Regression testing test cases, previously passed test cases are re-executed. Retesting execution perform only when a defect is fixed. Regression testing execution perform after any code changes, bug fixes, enhancement, optimization. Retesting automation, usually manual as it targets specific defects. Regression testing automations, often automated for frequent efficiency. Retesting dependency on defects depends on reported bug. Regression testing dependency on defect. Independent, done even if there are no defect fixes. So this is the difference between retesting and regression testing. Let's move for the another question. What is the user acceptance testing? Nothing but a UAT. Definition. UAT is the final phase of software testing where end users validate whether the system meets business requirements before deployment. Purpose. Ensure the software work as expected in real world scenarios. Who perform it? Business users, clients or stakeholders. When to perform after system testing and before production release. Types of UAT. Alpha testing done internally by employees. Beta testing done by limited group of external users. Contract and regulation testing ensure legal and contract compliance. Key focuses area usability, performance, data integrity and business process validation. So this is all about user acceptance testing. Next is what is alpha and beta testing. Alpha testing. Definition of alpha testing is internal testing in a controlled environment. Purpose: find bugs and ensure stability. Who perform it? Internal teams, developers and QAs. Stage: before beta testing. Focuses on functionality, usability and reliability. Second is beta testing. Definition: external testing in real world environment. Purpose: gather user feedback and validate real world use. Who perform it? Real users or external testers. Stage: after alpha testing before final release. Focus: user experience, performance and compatibility. Key difference between alpha and beta testing. Alpha, internal control, focuses on fixing major issues. Beta testing, external, real world, focuses on users feedback and final validation. So this is all about alpha and beta testing. Let's move for the another. What is exploratory testing? Definition: exploratory testing is an unscripted testing approach where testers explore the application, design test cases on the fly, and identify defects dynamically. Purpose of exploratory testing: focuses on discovering unexpected issues and improving software quality beyond predefined test cases. Who perform it? Experienced tester with strong analytical and domain knowledge. When to perform? When requirements are unclear, during early development, or for quick bug detection. Key characteristics of exploratory testing: no predefined test cases, release, rely on tester intuition, creativity and experience, helps find critical defects quickly. Let's move for the another question. What is ad-hoc testing? Definition: ad-hoc testing is an informal and unstructured testing approach where testers explore the application without predefined test cases or documentation. Purpose of ad hoc testing: quickly identify defects and unexpected issues that structured testing might miss. Who perform it? Testers, developers, or even business users with domain knowledge. When to perform? Anytime during the development cycle, often after formal testing phases. Key characteristics of ad hoc testing: no predefined test plan or documentation, rely on tester intuition, creativity, and experience, helps uncover hidden defects quickly. So this is all about ad hoc testing. Let's move for the another question. What is monkey testing? Definition: monkey testing is a type of random testing where the system is tested with arbitrary inputs to check its stability and defect crashes. Purpose: identifies unexpected errors by inputting random data without following test cases. Who perform it? Testers or developers. Can also be automated. When to perform? Usually at the end of testing or to check system robustness. Key characteristics of monkey testing: no predefined test cases or logic, focuses on system crashes, errors and performance issues, helps in trace testing and reliability assessment. So this is all about monkey testing. Let's move for the another question. What is GUI testing? GUI is nothing but a graphical user interface. GUI testing is the process of verifying the visual elements of an application to ensure they function correctly and meet design specification. Purpose: ensures the user interface in intuitive, responsive, and free of defects. Who perform it? Testers, developers, or automated testing tools. When to perform? After unit and integration testing, before system or UAT testing. Key aspect check layout and design, button alignment, font size, colors and spacing, functionality, clickable element, form validation and navigation, usability and accessibility, user-friendly interface and accessibility compliance, performance, UI responsiveness across different device and screen size. GUI testing tools, Selenium, Test Complete, Ranorex, Catalan Studio. This is all about GUI testing. Next is what is compatibility testing. Definition. Compatibility testing is a type of software testing that ensures an applications work correctly across different environments such as operating system, browsers, devices and networks. Purpose. Verify that software perform consistently across various configurations who perform it, QA tester using real devices, emulators or cloud-based testing tools. So here we can use the browser stack tool to perform the compatibility testing. When to perform? During system testing and before product releases. Key factors tested. Operating system compatibility, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS. Browser compatibility, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Device compatibility, mobile, tablet, desktop. Hardware and network compatibility, CPU, RAM, bandwidth. Tools used to perform the compatibility testing. Browser stack, Source Labs, Lambda test, cross-browser testing. So this is all about compatibility testing. Next is what is usability testing. Definition. Usability testing is a type of testing that evaluates how user-friendly, efficient and intuitive an application is for real users. Purpose. Ensure the software is easy to use, meets user expectation and provide a smooth experience. Who perform it? QA testers, UX designers or end users. When to perform? During the design phase, development or before product launch. Key aspect tested. Ease of use. Can user complete task efficiently? Next is navigations and flow. Is the UI intuitive and well structured? Responsiveness. Does it work well on different devices and screen size? Accessibility. Is it usable by people with disability? So this is all about usability testing. Let's move for the another question. Next is what is accessibility testing? Accessibility testing ensures that a software application is usable by people with disabilities including visual, hearing, motor and cognitive impairment. Purpose. Verifies compliance with accessibility standard, that is WCA, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, ADA section 508 and improve inclusivity. Who perform it? QA testers, developers or accessibility expert. When to perform? During development and before release. Key aspect tested: screen reader compatibility, that is JAWS, NVDA, Key, keyboard navigations for user who can't use a mouse, color contrast and font readability for visually impaired users, captions and transcripts for hearing impaired users. Tool use AXE, WAVE, JAWS, NVDA, Lighthouse. Let's move for the another question. What is end-to-end testing? End-to-end testing is a software testing method that verifies the complete workflow of an application from start to finish to ensure all component functions correctly together. Purpose: simulates real-world user scenarios to validate system integration and data flow. Who perform it? QA testers using manual or automated test script who when to perform after unit, integration and system testing before production release. Key focuses feature UI and functional testing, ensuring all features work as expected, database and API validation, checking data flow between modules, third-party integration, testing external services like payment gateways, and user experience, ensuring smooth navigation from start to finish. Tool used to perform end-to-end testing, Cypress, Selenium, Test Complete, Catalan Studio. So this is all about end-to-end testing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.